Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to recover note on Google Keep. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Google Keep. You can follow this step on your desktop, online and also on mobile device. Over here you can see I am here in Google Keep. If you deleted any of your notes mistakenly, you can recover these from Google Keep. Now you can use this method to recover messages online and also on mobile device. For now, I'll show you online. On the left, you can find here a bunch of options over here. Also, you can see here is trash. Just click on this and over here you can see here is your deleted message. And also here is message as notes in trash are deleted after 7 days. That means within 7 days you can recover this message. To recover this, over here you can find here is option of restore. Just click on this and after that if you go to this note, you can find this message is restored. So in this way we can restore message on Google Keep. So if this solved your problem, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.